GM's $280 billion bet on EVs. Buckle up, folks! General Motors is revving up a monumental shift in the automotive landscape with a jaw-dropping $280 billion bet on electric vehicles. So join us on the circuit as we dive into the electrifying world of GM's ambitious endeavor. General Motors is charging ahead with its colossal investment of $280 billion into electric vehicles. This mammoth sum underscores GM's commitment to spearheading the future of transportation. From electrifying iconic models to pioneering cutting-edge technology, GM's bet on EVs is not just a financial move, but a transformative leap into a greener, more sustainable future. Step into the driver's seat of GM's electric revolution, where innovation meets adrenaline in the form of the iconic Hummer EV. With its impressive range of over 350 miles and mind-boggling acceleration from 0 to 60 in just 3 seconds, the Hummer EV exemplifies GM's commitment to redefining the boundaries of electric vehicles. Beyond its performance prowess, the Hummer EV represents a bold statement of sustainability, showcasing GM's dedication to eco-friendly transportation solutions. Accompanying us on this journey is CEO Mary Barra, whose decades-long tenure at GM reflects a deep-rooted passion for the automotive industry. From her humble beginnings as an electrical engineer to her current role as CEO, Barra's leadership has been instrumental in steering GM towards a future driven by electric innovation. Together, we'll explore the fusion of cutting-edge technology and timeless craftsmanship that defines GM's approach to EV design, setting the stage for a transformative era in automotive history. Amidst the exhilaration of GM's electric revolution lies a myriad of challenges and obstacles that must be navigated with precision and resilience. From regulatory hurdles to technological complexities, GM faces a daunting landscape as it endeavors to realize its ambitious EV ambitions. Delays and crises loom on the horizon, testing the mettle of GM's leadership and the resolve of its workforce. At the helm of this endeavor is CEO Mary Barra, whose steadfast leadership has guided GM through tumultuous times, from financial crises to technological setbacks. Barra's unwavering commitment to transparency and accountability serves as a beacon of hope in navigating the challenges ahead, instilling confidence in GM's ability to overcome adversity and emerge stronger than ever. As GM charts a course towards a greener, more sustainable future, it confronts head-on the complexities of an ever-evolving industry. Yet amidst the turbulence, there lies an unwavering determination to push the boundaries of possibility and pave the way for a brighter tomorrow. GM's journey from automotive powerhouse to tech-forward innovator is a testament to its ability to adapt and evolve in response to changing times. As a stalwart of the American auto industry, GM has played a pivotal role in shaping the landscape of transportation for over a century. From its dominant position in the post-war economic boom to weathering the storms of global competition, GM's evolution reflects the ebb and flow of the automotive industry. Under the visionary leadership of CEO Mary Barra, GM has embarked on a transformative journey towards electric vehicles and autonomous driving technologies. This strategic pivot represents a paradigm shift for GM as it seeks to position itself as a leader in the emerging era of sustainable transportation. By embracing innovation and embracing the future, GM is charting a bold new course that promises to redefine the automotive landscape for generations to come. Through its state-of-the-art design center and investment in cutting-edge technology, GM is laying the foundation for a new era of automotive excellence. By fusing traditional craftsmanship with modern engineering, GM is pushing the boundaries of possibility and setting new standards for automotive innovation. As GM continues to evolve, it remains committed to driving progress and shaping the future of transportation on a global scale. At the heart of GM's transformation lies its dedication to designing the future of transportation. This commitment is exemplified by GM's state-of-the-art design center, a vibrant ecosystem where imagination and innovation collide to shape the next wave of vehicles. Led by design luminary Michael Simcoe, GM's design team operates at the intersection of artistry and engineering, striving to create vehicles that not only embody cutting-edge technology but also evoke emotion and inspire awe. Within the Design Center, a fusion of traditional craftsmanship and digital wizardry gives rise to concept cars that serve as harbingers of the future. These visionary creations serve not only as aesthetic marvels, but also as practical inspirations for the next generation of GM vehicles. Every curve, every contour is meticulously crafted to convey a sense of dynamism and sophistication, reflecting GM's unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive design. Moreover, GM's design ethos extends beyond mere aesthetics to encompass functionality and sustainability. As the automotive industry undergoes a paradigm shift towards electrification and autonomy, GM's design philosophy embraces these transformative technologies, seamlessly integrating them into the fabric of its vehicles. From sleek electric sedans to rugged electric trucks, GM's Design Center is at the vanguard of a new era in mobility where form and function converge to redefine the driving experience. GM's journey towards a sustainable and connected future has been marked by numerous obstacles and challenges. From financial crises to regulatory scrutiny, GM has faced adversity on multiple fronts, testing the resilience of its leadership and the resolve of its workforce. However, through sheer determination and strategic foresight, GM has emerged from these trials stronger and more resilient than ever. CEO Mary Barra's leadership has been instrumental in guiding GM through turbulent times, instilling a culture of accountability and innovation that serves as the foundation for the company's resilience. By confronting challenges head-on and embracing change, GM has transformed setbacks into opportunities for growth and reinvention. Despite the hurdles encountered along the way, GM remains unwavering in its commitment to shaping the future of mobility. Through strategic investments in electric vehicles and autonomous driving tech, GM's laying the groundwork for a more sustainable and connected automotive ecosystem. By harnessing the power of innovation and collaboration, GM is poised to overcome adversity and pave the way for a brighter tomorrow. As GM navigates the complexities of an ever-evolving industry, it remains focused on charting a path forward that prioritizes innovation, sustainability, and customer centricity. With a clear vision and bold strategy, GM's positioning itself as a leader in the transition in a more sustainable and connected future. Under the guidance of CEO Mary Barra, GM is doubling down on its commitment to EVs and autonomous driving tech, investing in research and development to bring cutting-edge innovations to market. By forging strategic partnerships and fostering a culture of collaboration, GM is driving progress and shaping the future of transportation on a global scale. Moreover, GM's commitment to sustainability extends beyond its products to encompass its entire operations. From reducing carbon emissions to promoting diversity and inclusion, GM is dedicated to making a positive impact on the world around it. By embracing change and embracing the challenges of tomorrow, GM is poised to lead the automotive industry into a new era of innovation and progress. GM's bold leap into the world of EVs not only signifies a monumental shift in the automotive industry, but it also symbolizes a broader cultural and environmental imperative. As a passionate advocate for sustainable living and technological progress, witnessing GM's commitment to electric innovation resonates deeply with me. It serves as a reminder that corporations can be powerful agents of positive change when they align their goals with the greater good. Moreover, the emphasis on leadership, resilience, and innovation within GM inspires me to approach challenges in my own life with determination and strategic vision. Just as GM navigates the complexities of an evolving industry, I'm reminded of the importance of adaptability and forward thinking in pursuing personal and professional goals. Overall, GM's journey into the electrifying world of EVs not only shapes the future of transportation, but also serves as a beacon of inspiration for individuals and organizations alike, urging us to embrace innovation and sustainability in our quest for a better tomorrow.